In this subject, Annie, we are going to create a campaign in Pinterest
Okay.
for your Pinterest account and for your website. So we will go to the ad section here, click create ad, and we're going to choose, let's name this campaign as campaign number 2. Okay, scroll down. We're going to choose traffic as the objective, okay, because we need traffic.
All right.
Click launch. Okay, click new ad group. Let's give this ad group a name. We'll call it like maybe campaign 3. Okay, ad group 1 and ad number 3. Okay, because this is the third ad that we are creating, right?
Okay.
So we are not going to touch this because we don't have any customer list. In this case, we're going to choose a particular niche, right? Because your niche is about food, right? So we're going to choose food and drinks, okay?
Okay.
And food and drinks. Okay, let's let's
Maybe.
let's choose everything here in this case because we need traffic for all of this. So let's choose everything.
Okay.
Okay, seems like I have to check everything here. Working method, dairy, desserts, drinks, eggs, food, special frozen food, soup. We need to select all 28.
All right.
Seafood, sandwich, salad, pizza, nuts, meat, planning,
Don't have
grain,
help
and fruit.
here. Oh, that
And
help. Maybe
health,
pass.
right?
Yeah.
Health. So,
Okay.
okay, why is it not choosing all of these? Let me check it.
Mm.
Anyways, daily routine. So if I check this, night routine, sleep. Okay, there are more detailed interests.
Yeah.
Check, check eye care, diet,
Yeah.
and lifestyle.
We got an article on oral
Weight
care.
loss, right? Weight
Yeah,
loss,
we
oral care, medical,
oral care, medical. Hmm.
medical. So I think this is enough, right?
Yeah.
Then we will scroll down and any keywords. Let's say lose weight, lose weight.
Yeah. Help, diet, exercise. I'm just thinking of some.
Okay, it's not giving me options. Let me say diet. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
whole diet, paleo diet, easy diet, diet food, diet meals, eat. Now there are 5 million searches happening on
Ooh,
Pinterest about these things. Weight loss diet. So that means this number of searches are happening.
great.
So when people type these keywords, and as long as we have selected these keywords, chances are, and all of these, chances are that your ad will appear. Okay,
Okay.
let's type health, health, and all results. All right, let's type food and all results. Any other word coming to your mind?
Let me see. I was looking at something
Keto.
else. Yeah.
Okay, keto. What is the meaning
Yeah.
of keto, Annie?
It's a keto diet.
So what
It's
is
a
keto?
it's just certain foods that you eat. It's like don't have a lot of fats and carbohydrates and stuff like that.
Okay. All US locations, we're only going to target US. We're only
Mm-hmm.
going to target English language only
Uh-huh.
because our content is in English.
Right.
All devices, art group placement, all browse search, art group tracking URL. Use your pin to expand your targeting. Daily budget, let's keep this one to 5 or 3. What do you want to choose?
Five.
5, okay.
Five.
5 and
Yes, let's get this thing on the ball.
so let's run it until end date would be, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days. Let's run it for 5 days.
Okay.
Okay. And we're going to see if we see an increase,
Mm-hmm.
in your income in
Right.
AdSense.
Mm-hmm.
Pinterest aims to get the most clicks for your budget. Custom, you control how much you bid. So let's control our bid.
Is is that what they suggesting? That 88?
No, we don't want to pay 88 cents for a
Okay.
single click. No.
I was just wondering since that came up, is that what they are suggesting?
Okay,
Yes, Lord, in the
0.
flow bid. Oh, 10 cents. Okay.
To your, you pay for clicks to your destination website. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in this case, if someone types a keyword and your ad appears, so clicks 147 to 440. Okay, we
Mm-hmm.
will keep it to
Okay.
standard, not accelerated. Okay,
Okay.
ads. Now here we're going to choose the pin. How to make homemade celery juice, detox celery recipe, and 7-day diet plan. Shall we go with this one?
That one is a ClickBank one, I think.
Like goes to the ClickBank offer.
Uh-huh.
Are you
I
like?
don't
Did
think
you
we
add
got we
this?
don't no, we don't have the link in there because we took the link out for the ones that I added. Remember? We took the link out.
It goes to your website.
Okay.
See,
Yeah.
so
But I'm saying I got that image from ClickBank.
that's okay. The image is from
Okay.
ClickBank, but this pin goes to your website.
All right. That's
So I
fine.
need you to
Just
mutually
wanted.
choose with
Okay.
me which one shall I choose as the pin.
All
I
right. I
think
like the
seven
one you
days
had. That's
diet, it
fine.
makes more sense, right?
Yeah.
7-day diet plan
Yeah.
makes more sense. What do you think?
I like it.
Right? Because I also like it.
And it looks good. Yeah. Yeah. I see go with the 7-day diet plan.
Let's click this button.
Let's see.
So health
Drop
and
your dress
fitness
size.
section,
Okay.
more section, body detox. And, okay. So all text allow people to comment, allow people to upload photos. Okay. Click save and okay, cool. So let's move on to the next step. One pin selected. Like, can we select multiple pins or what? If we choose this one.
Uh,
Okay, I think we can select multiple pins. Okay, but let's just
the,
select one for
I
now.
don't
Okay.
know. Yeah. Cause I don't know.
Review selected pins. Yes, we can select multiple pins, but there would be, I think, 2 ads created based on that. So click launch.
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong?
Add group. Budget.
Okay, budget is 5. 5 days. What's wrong with this? I think we already selected everything, right?
Oh,
What
we
did just
did.
happen, Amy?
Create new audience.
Oops.
Well, we didn't create an audience, did we? Yes, we did.
Oh, what
I don't
just
know what
happened?
happened. That's the correct one.
Okay, okay.
See, we
So
got it.
I think this is campaign 3 ad group. I clicked new ad group. So we need to delete this ad group, you know,
Okay.
like we have turns out like I created one more new ad group.
Mm-hmm.
So like this is kind of confusing,
It is.
but this this is campaign 3, right?
Right, campaign
Now I
3.
want to delete this thing. This is where we made all the changes which are already still there,
And you just delete the,
and I want to delete this particular thing.
what you want to delete both of the campaigns and just start over. Let's see. Please choose at least one ad. I
How do
thought
I
we
delete
did.
this part? We already did it. You see, it's here. It's here. You know.
Duplicate
Okay,
ad
this is
group.
here. That's correct now. Okay, this is our. I created new ad group. So this is our interest 37.
It still got
And
37.
these are our
So
keywords. Okay, this is okay. $30.
I don't know how you knew which one to delete, but I guess you figured
I
it
just,
out.
I just, no, I did not know which one to delete. I just guessed it and pressed that button. Sometimes you have to do that. I did that with kind of,
Okay.
um, with this in mind that we have to go back and create it again if I delete the wrong one. But yes, turns out
Okay.
it was correct. So this would be the pin. Click launch and campaign creation successful. Check back in 24 hours. Campaign. This
Mm-hmm.
is okay. I forgot to change. Like we need to add the date. To it. So what was the date? 14th.
Wait a minute. What the one we just did?
Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the campaign 3, right? The
Yeah.
ad
Yeah.
group
Okay.
ad 3, right?
Okay.
This is the
Okay.
one that I created.
Well, I guess turn the others off. That's all that I
Let's
can say.
turn these on. Let's turn this on.
Okay. This stuff is a little confusing, isn't it?
It's kind of a bit confusing, or maybe we have to get used to it.
Mm-hmm. Now it still got the other one back on. The last one
No, I
on
just
12,
came to the
14.
campaign thing.
Oh, is that what it was?
So campaign 3.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the ad group, not the campaign. And this is the campaign for this one.
Right.
So it's 14th
Mm-hmm.
of January, right? You see the
Yes.
date, it is
Right.
taking up the date all by itself, so we know this is the
Good.
campaign that we created today. So at least we don't
Good.
have to put the date thing, right?
It's the truth. Mm-hmm.
So, and yeah, cool. So ads for one campaign. This is in pending,
Okay.
pending. Okay.
What is all this? This active. Oh, that's the keywords. Okay.
That's correct. It's not showing how many keywords we selected.
And we got broad on all of them. Do we want broad?
That's what I'm trying to do. I just want to change that to phrase.
Mm. Why they got opinion? It's weird. Yeah.
I don't think they have an option to
What
change it
about
to
this one?
phrase or exam.
I was just trying to read this. Let's see. Broad, next phrase. But under delivery, what's under there? Had to be somewhere. Let's see. Overview, custom reports.
Keywords. Okay, it's not allowing us to. It's not giving us an option to change
Let's
it to
look under
phrase.
here.
Like,
Okay, look on the table delivery again.
yeah,
I was
sure.
just wondering what's on this drop down. That's all that's on there. Okay, well, maybe we need to go to YouTube and pull up a video.
Yep.
Think and see how to
But
change this.
anyways, you know what? In this case, right now we're just looking for traffic. Okay.
Yeah, that's true.
So let's run it on broad
Mm,
for our
mm,
first campaign and see how much traffic we want to get, right?
right,
Because we are
right,
not looking for any sale here. As long as someone is coming to our website, he's looking at our website, clicking ads and all that,
right, right.
we will uh, get paid, right?
Sounds good. Sounds good to
So,
me.
so that's okay. Like with
Mm-hmm.
broad, we can get more traffic. So let's keep it to broad in this case. Okay.
Okay. All right. Sounds